Everything inside is fresh. But maybe it's perhaps what you see from the outside that matters most as we begin our ceremony. Just around this corner, the annex, the brand new brick and mortar, the addition to our dining facilities. It signals to everyone who passes by what kind of university we are, what kind of community we are. There's a cross on that glass facade that means a lot to us.
When we first met with the campus and the community of Bowling Springs, what was very important was that the CAF was a center for community. Students, the Bowling Springs community, came to dine together. I was told over and over again the best meal in town was actually here. And so as Dr. Town says, the patience you exhibited to get through the renovations, we appreciate, but this is your dining hall. We believe that this is a part of your kitchen.